Hi friends, myself Kaushik, pursuing BE Mechanical Engineering at SNS College of Engineering. Let's talk about of artificial intelligence in mechanical engineering and a case study on automation course Walmo of LLC. Next, intelligence. The intelligence is the ability of learn about the learn from understanding its interact of with one's environment. The to respond to a situation of very flexibility, to recognize the relative importance of different elements of situations, to find the similar between situations. Artificial intelligence, the ability of make of duplicates and functions of human brains processed by Alan Turing of 1950, a birth of the British computer scientist. In mechanical engineering, it can be termed of mechanical intelligence. It combines wide varieties of advanced technology to given machine the ability to learn, adapt, make decisions, and displays behavior not explained, programmed into the original capability. The points of the different areas robotics, speech recognition, final recognition, navigation, mapping, motion planning, object recognition. Automation cars. It is a vehicle that a car drive itself from one point to another without assistance from a drive. In another word, with an autopilot system. Main components of automation cars: GPS, LiDAR, radar, video camera, piston emitters, Wavemove of LLC. The Wavemove LLC is the American automation drive technology that developed the company. It is a subsidiary alphabet of NIC, the parent of company of Google. The Waymo's operations is commercial self-drive taxi. The service the Great News Arnes area called Waymo One, with channeled fully mapped in October 2020. The company expanded the services to the public, and it's and it and it is the only self-driving commercial service the without safety backup drives in the vehicle. The 1, 2, 3, 4 Waymo 7, 8. Waymo also develops driving technology from the use of other vehicles include delivery bus van and class 8 tractors and trailers for delivery of largest type. The subsidiary industries on the automation costs targets Google Safe Drive Car Project Foundation January 1917 2009, 12 years ago at the Google Self Drive Car Project December 13, 2016, 4 years ago Wamo. The founder is Semberton of Anthor Levenco's headquarters Mountain View of California, US. Key people's Demidolog, CEO of CEO, Technot Markon, CEO of CEO, parent Google in 2009 to 2016, Alphabet in 2016 present. The website of Wemo is .com. The components of radar. It is help to determine the position and the distance of object. There is a radar sensor in the front of back of the car. Video camera. The mounted near the near air views of mirror detects the traffic lights, detects the moving objects, components, position estimator, the mounted on left rear wheels, measure the small movement of the car and actually located its position on the map. Other technology of marking the car of fully automation. Adaptive cure of control, adaptive of high beams, traffic signal recognition, adaptive cure of control. The cures of control keeps the car's constant speed by taking over the throttle of cars. It also maintains the set distance between it the car in front of the use of either the radar setup allowing the vehicles to slow when approaching another vehicles and accelerate again is to the present speed of the traffic allows objective high beams automatically and continuously adjusts the headlamp rack to the distance of the vehicle and ahead of which oncoming traffic signal recognition. A sensor entometer is used to dedicate them of radiations. Light of the different color will radiate different to intensity of radiation, which will be detected by the sensor. If they detect the intensity of red color of yellow color, the control will send a command to stop the vehicle actuations by according the input from the sensor and the technology above the mentioned ECU engine electronic control units determine the path of speed, the directions, etc. by controlling the throttle of steering, barking, etc. ECU, the generic of terms of any embedded system that control one or more than electrical system or subsystems in a motor vehicle. ECU includes a third control unit, steering control unit, brake control unit, and may other control units. Advantage of automation costs. Less traffic collisions, increase the roadways capacity and reduce the traffic conclusion. Reduction the physical road signal high energy efficient human are not required to take the car robots can find out the current position of car by GPS. Less space needed for parking. Disadvantage of changes chance for hacking, failure for sensor can create a chance to accident. Resident development of our automation costs. Google driverless costs, queues, agro AI. Conclusion. There is no doubt about the future of automatic field and will be automation's vehicle, but the biggest hurdles will be legal, not technical. For example, who is responsible when one of their cars gets an accident, and how will the police pull out the automation cars if they need to? If their problems is solved, automation cars will have a bigger impact on society than when the first horseless carriage of appeared our century ago.